Always when we fight, I try to make you laugh till everything's forgotten. I know you hate that. Always when we fight, I kiss you once or twice, and everything's forgotten. I know you.
Let's answer the question. William Shakespeare was A. a merchant and a traveler, B. a playwright and an actor, or C. a farmer. What was he? You say D. Digital South 13. Euripides, Shakespeare, Schiller, and Goethe are well known as.
You tell me I'm a real man. Try to look impressed, not very convincing, but you know I love it. Then we watched you.
Scientists or C. tragedy writers? You say C.
No.
I agree with you. It is tragedy writers. So, Romeo and Juliet by William Shakespeare is a play, a poem, or a novel. Come on, Capulet. You say this?
Till everything's forgotten. I know you hate that. Always when we fight, I kiss you once or twice, and everything's forgotten. I know you hate that. I love you Sunday sun. The week's not yet begun, and everything is quiet, and it's always you and me, always and forever. You and me, always and forever. Ba, 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 ba. It was always you and me, always. You tell me I'm a real man. Try to look
B. You say Friar Lawrence. Kod nas u prevodu je Lavrentije. Friar Lawrence.
till we fall asleep. Not very exciting, but it's you and me, and we'll always.
Does Romeo commit suicide? With a dagger in the orchard. With a sword in Juliet's bedchamber. Or with poison in Juliet's tongue. Suicide.
But stop! What lies through yonder window breaks? It's the east, and Juliet is the sun. Arise, fair sun, and kill the envious moon, who is already sick and pale with grief. That thou her maid art, far more far than she. Be not her maid, since she's envious. Her vestal liberty is but thick and green, and none but fools to wear it. Case it off. It's my lady. Oh, it's my love. Oh, that she knew she were. She speaks, yet she says nothing. What of that? See how she leans her cheek upon her hand. Oh, that I were a blow upon that hand, that I might touch that cheek.
Hey, me.
She speaks. Oh, speak again, bright angel, for thou art as glorious to this night, being over my head, as is a winged messenger of heaven, unto the white upturned wondering eyes of mortals that fell back to gaze on him, when he best rides the lazy pacing clouds and sails upon the bosom of air.
Oh, Romeo, Romeo, wherefore art thou Romeo? Deny thy father and refuse thy name. Or, if thou wilt not, be but sworn, my love, and thou no longer be a Capulet.
Shall I hear more, or shall I speak at this?
Tis but thy name that is my enemy. Thou art thyself, though not a Montag. What Montag? It is nor hand, nor foot, nor arm, nor face, nor any other part belonging to a man. Oh, be some other name. What's in a name? That which we call a rose, by any other name would smell as sweet.
I take thee at thy word. Call me but love, and I'll be new baptized. Henceforth I never will be Romeo.
What man art thou that dost be screened in night so stumblest on my
The
counsel?
name, dear sent, is hateful to myself, because it's an enemy to thee. Had it written, I would tear the word.
My ears have not yet drunk 100 words of that tongue's utterance, yet I know the sound. Are thou not Romeo and a Montag?
Neither, fair sent, if either thee dislike.
I tried to